Hi there mga beloved yung soulmates. Welcome to Red Soul Tarot Channel. Nandito naman po yung lingkod para bigyan kayo ng isang soulful and meaningful na tarot reading. Dito lang po sa inyo lagi napangan at sinusubaybay na Red Soul Tarot Channel. Ating pong reading ngayon na pagsasamahan ay para sa ating mga pinakamalda na sa sign ng Pisces, okay? Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus sign, this is for you. Kamusta po kayong lahat? I hope you're doing great, you're healthy, you're safe, and of course, you're happy. Kapag bago po kayo sa ating channel at di pa po kayo nakasubscribe, please do subscribe, like, comment, and share. And if you're watching this sa ating TikTok account, follow na rin po, RanSoTaro444. And if you want to avail a private reading, important notice po, hindi po ako yung unang magme-message sa inyo to offer a private reading, scammer po yan. Kapag may nag-message po sa inyo, gamit po yung pangalan, mukha ko po, mga videos, so that's a big lie. So kayo lang po mag-message po sa akin at pag-usapan po natin paano ka makakapag-avail ng slots for private reading. Alright, ulitin ko, this is for you, Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus sign. Takes what only resonates. Last shuffle for you, and kunin na natin ang iyong 10 barahan. Okay? Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors, Holy Spirit, Saint Michael. 10 cards please. 2, 3. Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors, Holy Spirit, Saint Michael. 5. Last 5 cards please. Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides. 6, 7. Last 3 cards please. Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors. 9, 10. Alright. Your 10 cards are now ready, Pisces. Huwag na natin patagalin ito. Ooh, Pisces. This is interesting. Alright. I-relate mo na to sa career. If you're expecting for an offer, if you're waiting for a result, maybe partnership, collaboration, working together, sosyo ng business, kung ano man to, may nilapit sa iyong tao to offer to work together para sa mas ikabubuti ng business, ng trabaho, no? It can be also sa studies. But if you're single, Pisces, and you're single, if you're expecting or looking for a partner, this is interesting. Napaka-interesting ng development dito. Kung medyo may nagpaparamdam dyan sa'yo, medyo may nagme-message, please entertain it because I can see here that you will be opening your hearts and for a new relationship. Alright, with the 2 of Cups here. But it's more on also about network, partnership, collaboration, working together, helping together to achieve something big. Alright? Wow. Pisces, be careful. There are people, mga tao sa likod mo na parang sinasabotahe ka, pinagtutulungan ka, or maybe sa current situation mo na that's why medyo magulo yung sitwasyon mo because may mga taong nakikialam, may mga nakikisawsaw dito. Alright, so, all of these things are happening to you because of these people na parang, labas naman sila dapat dito, wala naman silang dapat pake, wala silang connection dito, pero nakikialam, nakikigulo. But it's more on sabotage also, people talking behind your back, people na hindi masaya sa'yo, and they're working together na para pabagsakin ka or para gawan ka ng kwento ng hindi mga magandang bagay, Pisces. Meron talaga. Okay, take it easy, Pisces, kasi baka ma-involve ko sa conflict o meron na nga Pisces dyan na parang may nakasagutan lately, may nakaaway, miscommunication, may parang medyo may hindi okay talagang person na medyo tumaas yung tension dito, yung emotion at talagang hindi na control na parang nagka-exchange ng sagutan dito. Alright, so napaka relevant with the 5 of Wands here na talagang nagkaroon talaga ng gulo lately dito, Pisces, na involved ka sa parang conflict or medyo hindi magandang sitwasyon. Alright, so with the Knight of Swords here, I can feel an energy of conflict here. 9 of Pentacles is about abundance. So, what is this, Pisces? With the Knight of Pentacles, if you're expecting for growth or, if you're manifesting improvement about your finances, expect a growth or progress about it. You know what? Because Pisces, for a long time, parang medyo magulo yung sitwasyon mo. Medyo hindi mo maintindihan mga nangyayari, especially kapag pera ang pinag-uusapan dito. But with the Knight of Pentacles here, there will be a, unti-unting progress or paggalaw or pag-improve ng kaperahan mo dito. Alright, so it can be through a help, it can be through an opportunity na maaaring ibigay sa'yo or i-offer sa'yo. Alright, but with the Knight of Pentacles here, Pisces, napakalinaw, expect growth and progress regarding your finances. Panglima, High Priestess. Pisces, creativity will be rewarded here. Siguro kung may mga tinatago-tago ka pang talent dyan or skills na maaaring ma-monetize, maybe you're an artist, you're a painter, you're a singer, dancer, you have any skills of communication, pwede ka mag-start ng social media, blogging, content creator. So it's about creativity, ipamalas mo na ito. Okay, because you're very creative, Pisces. Nakikita ko dito. Siguro medyo may reservations ka pa, baka nahihiya ka kung ano sasabihin ng ibang tao if you start doing this. No, go out of your comfort zone, ipakita mo, kasi that will be rewarded. Bakit may tutulong yan sa'yo? Maaaring mapagkunan mo rin siya ng like source of income also, like monetary means dito. So with the High Priestess here, Pisces, do it now. Go out of your comfort zone, develop creativity, develop your skills and talent that will be fully appreciated and it will be rewarded. Alright? So, before we proceed to our last 5 cards sa ating second row, kapag bago po kayo sa ating channel at di pa po kayo nakasubscribe, na gusto niyo po, please do subscribe, like, comment, and share. And if you're watching this ating TikTok account, paki-follow rin po. Ito lang po yung legit na TikTok account ko. Dito po kayo mag-message if you want to avail a private reading. Hindi po ako ang mag-message sa inyo. Kapag may nag-message po sa inyo, wag niyo pong entertain yan sapagkat iba-blackmail kayo niyan, tatakutin kayo pag di kayo nag-send ng pera, naku, something might happen. Kayo lang po ang unang mag-message sa akin. Alright? So, sige. Pang-anim, Two of Swords. Two of Cups. So, siguro, may isang bagay kang gustong-gusto mangyari na nahihirapan ka sa decision making dito, talagang gumugulo sa isipan mo o nalilito ka kung tatanggapin mo pa or sisimulan mo ba or when or where to start, Pisces. So, with the Two of Cups, you need to settle. Okay, kalmahin mo yung nervous system mo, yung emotion mo because there will be clarity in the soonest days, in the coming days ahead. Clarity for you to move forward, to make a big decision, but it's more about partnership talaga dito. Nagdadalawang isip ka kung tatanggapin mo itong offer sa'yo, itong bagong opportunity na inilalatag sa'yo for the improvement ng buhay mo. Okay, but napakalinaw dito with the Two of Swords na medyo nalilito ka o naguguluhan ka sa sitwasyon mo ngayon, but it's more on career-related. Oh. Alright, deadma lang dito sa mga tao. Sa mga taong gusto kang pabagsakin, deadma, Pisces dito sa mga bashers, sa mga taong walang magawa, they keep on, maligning your name. Kasi, with the Seven of Swords here, it's more on holding the swords, taking all the swords, tanggalin mo, bunutin mo lahat ito, bitbitin. Even it is painful, even it is medyo traumatic for you, but still you need to move forward for you to be free. Kailangan mong kumilos o palayain ng sarili mo. And of course, you don't need to be distracted by these people because it really needs focus, it really needs your attention sa mga goals and plano mo sa buhay na hindi ka dapat malito, hindi ka dapat naapektuhan sa external factors, environment, and even people outside of your circle. Okay, all of the decisions na gagawin mo ay dapat manggaling sa'yo through your own discernment, sa sarili mong, pag-iisip, sarili mong, kumbaga bukal sa kalooban mo, and you manifested about it, you ask for the sign from the universe. So, with the Seven of Swords here, need also to help yourself to move forward, right? Pangwalo, Two of Pentacles. Nahirapan ka din daw sa pagbalanse sa mga bagay-bagay. May sitwasyon ngayon na parang you are doing your best to balance everything, maybe time, business, love, life, energy. So, may pressure na nangyayari. That's why medyo tinitimbang mo talaga. Nasa sitwasyon ka na nahihirapan kang timbangin ito. Siguro may mga dapat i-consider, may mga bagay na dapat gagawin na sana pero medyo, you have reservations kasi baka ganito. So, nahihirapan ka. Naiipit ka sa gitna ng sitwasyon na talaga nahihirapan kang timbangin yung mga bagay-bagay dito. Maring it can be in a field of job, business, love life, friendship, family-wise, everything. Talagang you're juggling between this situation na talagang medyo bumugulo sa isipan mo dito. Alright? Pang-siyam, lover, sabi ko sa'yo, sinagot tayo eh. Two of Cups, sabi ko nga, Pisces, meron talagang parating sa'yo. May makikilala kayong person that can help you Okay, this person will help you greatly in terms of your financial situation. I'm not saying na mukha kang pera Pisces, but this person hindi mo man hingiin, hindi mo man ito yung pakay mo, or kumbaga hindi man ito yung talagang goal mo tungkol sa person ito. That's why you open your heart to enter a new relationship again. But it's more on with the Nine of Pentacles. Malaki rin ang itutulong niya, this person, sa buhay mo in terms of partnership, money, business, career, or everything. So, but one thing clear here with the Two of Cups na sinabi ko kanina sa opening card, Pisces, for you, expect new partnership, new relationship, new help, like network that you will be helping together. Alright, so but with the Lovers card, so it's more on love life. So congrats, nangangamoy love life tayo dito, Pisces, ha? But it's for the better one. Okay, mas maganda ito. Mas medyo maganda yung dating nitong makikilala mo. And last card is Emperor. High Priestess ang katapat niya. So sabi ko nga, huwag kang matakot na sumubok, na ilabas, ipakita yung talent mo, i-develop yan. To develop that creativity, because the Emperor, the universe, God is here. Alright, so you are guided. So this is a sign that the universe is telling you, Pisces, yes, ilabas mo na yan, pakita mo na yan, andito ako. I am guiding you everything. You don't need to be afraid. Huwag kang matakot. Okay? Kasi yung takot mo ang hihila sa'yo pababa. Chance mo na ito. This is your moment to shine, Pisces. So you don't need to, kumbaga, manahimik pa dyan sa gilid. This is the best time. Okay, wala nang ibang oras sa panahon. The universe is telling you with the High Priestess card, you are good. You have that hidden talent, and it really takes na talagang ma-develop na yan. Overdue na yan. So, right, Pisces, with the Ten of Cards here, I will be summarizing this one. With the Two of Cups and Lovers card here, so meron talagang interesting development dito in terms of love life. May mga taong dating sa'yo unexpectedly na mag-offer, magpaparamdam, and you will be accepting it. And I know that you are medyo magulo ang sitwasyon mo ngayon. Ang daming gumugulo sa isipan mo. Factor pa itong mga taong medyo kung ano-anong pinagsasabi sa'yo, sinasabotahe ka, backstabbing, talking behind your back, pinagkakaisahan ka. But you need to move forward without any distraction. Hindi ka pwede magpatalo sa kanila with the distraction. Nakakita lang ako dito ng conflict lately na maring na-involve ka. So, nangyari na yan. So, just settle. Huwag nang palalain ito. And with the Two of Pentacles here, medyo pinagsasabay-sabay mo, tinitimbang mo yung sitwasyon, medyo nahihirapan ka dito. Alright, but with the Knight of Pentacles here, Nine of Pentacles, there will be improvement, progress, growth in terms of kapirahan dito. Alright, so all in all, Pisces, this is a very beautiful reading. I'm wishing you all the best in life. Thank you so much. I hope and I pray na marami nasasay ng Pisces sa mga kapanood dito ngayon. Maraming salamat sa inyong time, sa inyong panonood, pag-aabang, sa pag-subscribe, sa support at pagmamahal. Nasaan mo kayo naroon, anong ginagawa niya, susunod nating pagkikita. Maraming salamat. God bless us all.